Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. To create an image search app using JavaScript, start by selecting a suitable API that provides image search capabilities such as Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels. First, you will need to sign up for an API key to authenticate your requests. Next, design a user interface UI that includes a search bar for users to input their queries and an area to display the results. Use JavaScript's fetch API or axios to make asynchronous requests to the chosen image API. Upon receiving the response, parse the JSON data to extract image URLs and relevant metadata. Implement event listeners to trigger the search function when users submit their queries. Enhance user experience by adding features like loading indicators, pagination, and filters to refine search results. Finally, ensure the app is responsive and user-friendly, allowing users to easily navigate and view images. Test thoroughly to fix any bugs before deploying your app.